If Telegram is showing an internal error, don't worry. In this video I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account and use the app normally again. This issue can happen because of a temporary login problem, a corrupted cache in your browser, or even a network or VPN block, so we're going to go through the most effective solutions one by one. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, try relogging into Telegram or reinstalling the app if needed. Open Telegram and go to the menu, then head into Settings. In the top right corner, tap the three dots and choose Log Out. This will fully sign you out of the app. Once you've logged out, restart Telegram and sign in again with your phone number and verification code. In many cases, this alone can clear a temporary internal error and refresh your session. If you're on mobile and the problem continues, you can also uninstall Telegram and reinstall the latest version from your app store. That gives you a clean install and can fix issues caused by corrupted app data. Next, if you are using Telegram in a browser, clear your Telegram web cache. This is especially useful if the internal error is happening on Telegram web. If you are using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Delete Browsing Data. In the cleanup window, make sure you check cookies and other site data, as well as captured images and files. These are the two most important options for fixing session and loading errors. Then click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser tab, reopen Telegram web, and log in again. A fresh browser session often resolves the internal error right away. Now let's check for network or VPN blocks, because these can also trigger Telegram errors. If you have a VPN turned on, switch it off temporarily and try Telegram again. Some VPN servers can interfere with Telegram's connection and cause login or loading problems. Also, if you're on a restricted network, try changing from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi to see if the issue is related to your internet connection. If Telegram works on one network but not another, then the problem is likely with the connection, firewall, or regional routing rather than the app itself. If the error still shows up after that, give your device a quick restart and try again. A simple restart can clear background issues and refresh the connection. Also, make sure Telegram is updated to the latest version, because older versions can sometimes run into compatibility problems. If you are using Telegram web, try another browser like Firefox, Edge, or Brave to see if the error is browser-specific. To quickly recap, log out and sign back in, clear your Chrome or web cache, and turn off any VPN or network blocks. These are the most reliable fixes for Telegram internal error issues. If one step doesn't work, move to the next until the problem is resolved. And if this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.